Hey everybody, my name is Dan, and my wife and our 4 kids are all part of a family worship band called The Kingdom Here. And as a family, we love to worship Jesus and explore the beauty of God's creation. And we, as a family of 6, moved full-time into an RV. Why? Well, that's a very special announcement that we're getting ready to make to the kids, and we wanted to bring you along for this special announcement. So come with me, I'm getting ready to tell the kids. Here, let's go. All right, so you ready to hear the message?
Yeah! All right.
All right, guys, so if you're watching this video, that means you found
The special message!
the reason that we moved full-time into an RV is because we are getting ready to embark on the greatest family adventure we've ever been on.
We're traveling across the country.
We're going across country. We are going from our home state of North Carolina all the way
So excited.
cross country, all the way up the country to Washington, but we're going to take at least a month to explore the beauty of God's creation. How many?
Hopefully 10 national parks.
So we're going to try to hit at least 10 national parks on the way. And we are going to just film and document this time that we have together as a family. And so Gracelyn, Liam, Emery, and Selah, I hope and pray that you are ready to experience the goodness of God and the beauty of His creation as we take this trip as a family. Let's go. You guys ready? We are the Kingdom Here.
A traveling family worship band that wants to use their gifts, talents, and abilities to worship Jesus and help people see the goodness of God
and the beauty of His creation. Let His kingdom come.
And His will be done.
On earth as it is in heaven.
The Kingdom Here.
Hey guys, I'm super excited because right now I'm going to give you a full tour of our RV and home. So right here is our kitchen. This is where we do a bunch of dishes. Here is where we have our island, and then right here we sit down all together every night for dinner and we cook and bake together all the time. So here is our fridge. We also have freezers right here, and then this is one of my favorite spots because you get a window and this is where we sit all the time, so it's a really cool sitting area. And then this opens up to a pantry, and that's very helpful. Up here we basically just have storage for our games and stuff like that. And then this is like our main living space, like we spend a bunch of time here. Here is more storage. Here is our couch, and then up here we have this is our one and only bathroom.
Wait, say that again.
It's not as bad as people think. It's actually really good. So here is our master back bedroom. We also have our closet stuff here as well, but we'll get to that later. So yeah, that's basically it. So yes, and then this is one of our favorite rooms where we do a bunch of schoolwork and we play games and toys and all that type of stuff. And this is like my favorite part of this whole room, maybe this whole RV, because this wall opens up and we're gonna be able to see God's creation like just right there, which I'm super excited for. Also guys, super cool. We have beds that are on motors, and that means we can lift them all the way up and then lower them all the way down. And so in the daytime we lift them up, and then we can use this room for homeschooling, music, and all different sorts of stuff. And then at night, when we're about to sleep, we can just lower them down and use them as beds. And for the rest of this room, I'm going to pass it over to my brother Liam.
I really want to show you this really cool adventure wall. So right here we have some Junior Ranger badges from national parks we've collected. And then right here there is a national parks book so that we can learn when we go on our trips. I want to show you my really cool backpack. So first let's open up my main area in the backpack. And we have this really cool case right here, and I stick my binoculars inside, so for looking at birds and stuff when we're on our trip.
What's the coolest thing you've seen with your binoculars, you think?
Maybe a moose.
A moose, yeah?
Yeah. And then right here I have this underwater case so I can put it in underwater. And then right here I have this notebook for adventure. And then if we open up this little slot right here, I have this flashlight. And now let's open open up right here. And I have some rope. And this could be useful on the trip. And then a mosquito net. And then I got a really cool fire starter. And now let's open up my last part of the bag. Right here. And we have this really cool duck call that will attract ducks. Now I'm going to pass it on to Emery. Everybody has a toy bin of whatever they want to bring in the RV. So I'm going to show you mine. Yeah, I tried to bring as many things as I could. This is my horse stuffy. I really like it, and I really like that God made horses. I actually do horse lessons with my friend. This is my horse stuffy. I really like about it because it has a real life bridle. It actually has the bit too, and I can go inside its mouth. I really like about it because it's real, like I said, and I really like that this is like the back of the trailer, and then there's like the front. But this is the cool part. You open it, and it turns into a mini horse stable, where you can see like little pictures of horses. That's probably it for now, but Graceland's gonna show you the loft really quick, so I hope that goes well.
Yes, this is one of my absolute favorite places and spaces. So over here I have this basket, and that's full of like pillows and blankets, all that sort of stuff, because it gets a little cold. And then over here I have like a desk space, and like right there is where I keep a bunch of my classic books, because I'm a fan of classic books. And then I have my typewriter. Then over here we have my piano, and this is where I write a bunch of songs and I practice and do all sorts of things. And I have a window right here, which is super nice, and that's it.
All right, so we answered the question about how many bathrooms we have as a large family of 6, but the second question,
Where do we put our clothes?
where do we put all of our clothes? And the answer to that question is, how many closets do we have?
We have one closet.
One closet. Right there it is. Hey, that's pretty nice.
But
Anyway,
we're still renovating our drawers here.
Oh, she's pointing out that I haven't put the drawer handles on our drawers yet, but that's okay. So everybody gets how many?
Everybody gets like one drawer
One drawer.
and one.
And then we have one master closet, which, by the way, we have to have clothes for what?
For all types of weather. So all climate weather.
All right, well, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the inside look at our RV and how we live as a family of 6 full-time. We are taking our next trip. We're gonna be driving in our RV from Charlotte, North Carolina, all the way out to the West Coast, and we're gonna be recording and making music and showing the beauty of God's creation. And I really hope you guys follow along for some of our content, and just as we are just taking this next journey as a family. So thanks again for watching. We are the Kingdom here. See you later.
Like a beast going bum bum bum, my heart will beat for you. Like a melody all around me, creation sings for you. And when I look at everything and I say your grace reminds me, for you are the Lord, my God, who takes away my fear. I will not be afraid.
Let your kingdom come, what your will be done. Proof all around me of the only one. The river runs deep and the mountains sky high. Nothing can separate me from my God. The stars up above and the valleys down low. He's with you wherever you go. In the darkest night and in the brightest light. Whatever beauty you see in your sight. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the sea. My God is here with me.
I'm not sure we're gonna fit in this driveway. Let's go for it.
This part makes me a little nervous. All right, we're only gonna hit the curve a little.
Our next destination, which is Mississippi! MSSSISSSI. I don't know how to spell Mississippi.